There are a number of school threats popping up on social media, a platform everyone knows about across the country. Law enforcement says they're aware of issues on TikTok. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink spoke with a former FBI official and a local teacher about how these threats are affecting our school environment.
Several southern Arizona school districts from Amphi to Douglas sent letters to parents saying these threats were not credible. A former FBI official tells us that's the good news. And one longtime teacher says this raises the level of anxiety and impacts her job to teach her kids.
It's heartbreaking that that's where we have to sit as in education.
Lisa Miller teaches English at Amphi High School. She's been in the classroom more than 30 years. The TikTok videos warn of school shootings and bomb threats specifically to take place today. Police found these threats weren't credible.
We now have had to add into our protocols not only fire drills, but active shooter drills. It's scary when we have to even do those drills, that we have to even consider that this is even a possibility at any school.
Former FBI Assistant Director for Counterintelligence Frank Figliuzzi praises law enforcement efforts here and says students making these violent threats on social media could be committing a federal crime.
It's extremely serious. It's no joke. And in this day and age, it will be followed up on. You will be identified and someone will be knocking on your door.
Figliuzzi argues fellow students have to speak up when they see the chatter online.
The eyes and ears, the first line of defense that we have with regard to potential school violence, are students themselves. They're the ones following their peers' accounts. They're the ones who are going to notice the changes in behavior and the threats that are starting to develop.
The kids need us. They need adults who can help them manage their world.
I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.